Namaskar and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start balance of payment from macroeconomics book class 12th economics. So let's get started with first question. Who out of the following is not included in residence in BOP transactions? Option A, farms. Option B, foreign military personnel. Option C, government agency. Option D, individuals. Here correct answer is farms. Move to next question number 2. An accounting statement that provides a systematic record of all economic transactions between residents of a country and rest of the world or abroad is dash. Option A, balance of payment. Option B, balance of trade. Option C, government budget. Option D, none of these. Its correct answer is balance of payment. Here balance of trade is part of balance of payment. So move to next question number 3. Balance of payment is a dash concept. Option A, stock. Option B, flow. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A nor B. Its correct answer is flow concept. Balance of payment BOP is a flow concept. Move to next question number 4. Inflow of foreign exchange is recorded on dash side. Option A, credit. Option B, debit. Option C, either A or B. Option D, neither A nor B. Its correct answer is option A, credit. When there is inflow of foreign exchange or foreign currency, it is recorded on credit side, and when there is outflow of foreign exchange, it is recorded on when there is outflow of balance foreign exchange or foreign currency, it is recorded on debit side. Okay, move to next question number 5. When the receipts of foreign exchange are more than the payments of foreign exchange, BOP is dash. When receipts of foreign exchange or foreign currency or is more than the payment, then it leads to surplus of foreign exchange or balance of payment. Move to next question number 6. Unilateral transfers are known as option A, bilateral transfers. Option B, one-way transfers. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A nor B. Its correct answer is one-way transfers. Here unilateral transfer means one-side transactions or donations from abroad, scholarship from abroad. These are unilateral transfers from abroad. Move to next question number 7. Balance on trade of balance can be option A, surplus. Option B, balanced. Option C, deficit. Option D, either A or B or C. Its correct answer is option D, either A, either B or either C. Balance of trade means there will be surplus, there will be deficit, there will be balanced. Okay, move to next question number 8. Which of the following is not component of balance of payment? Option A, current account. Option B, capital account. Option C, nominal account. Option D, none of these. Its correct answer is option C, nominal account. In balance of payment in BOP there are current account. In current account there is export and import of goods and services, unilateral transfers, and investment income. Loans from abroad, loans to abroad, repayment of loans, etc. are coming in capital account. When there is inflow of foreign exchange to our country, it is recorded on credit side, and when there is outflow of foreign currency or foreign exchange, it is recorded on debit side of BOP. Debit side of BOP. And all transactions between rest of the world and our country is on foreign exchange or foreign currency. All transactions, all economic transactions are made through foreign currency. So move to next question number 9. Export and import of goods is known as option A indivisible trade, option B visible trade, option C one-sided transactions, option D unrequited transfers. Its correct answer is option B visible trade. Here import and export and import of goods, here goods is visible and services is invisible. Service is invisible. Okay. Move to next question number 11. Autonomous transactions are take place on option A current account, option B capital account, option C both A and B, option D neither A nor B. Its correct answer is option C both A and B. Autonomous transactions are taken place on current account and capital account both. Move to next question number 12. These transactions are taken place to cover the deficit or surplus in autonomous transactions. Here option A current account, option B here it will be capital account, and option C accommodating, option D none of these. Its correct answer is option C accommodating transaction. Accommodating transaction means it is undertaken to cover up deficit or surplus in autonomous transactions. Accommodating means to balance in BOP. Balance in BOP. So move to next question number. Here answer will be C. Okay. Move to next question number 11. Question number 13. Dash is the difference between value of goods sold to the rest of the world and value of goods imported from rest of the world. Option A balance of payment, option B balance of trade, option C balance of current account, option D balance of capital account. Its correct answer is option B balance of trade. Here value of goods is given, that's why balance of trade. Here move to next question number 14. Gifts and remittance to abroad are recorded on option A credit side of current account, option B debit side of capital account, option C debit side of current account, option D credit side of capital account. It's gift and remittance to abroad, so there is outflow of foreign currency or foreign exchange, so it is recorded on debit side. Okay, and gifts and remittance is recorded on current account. So here option C debit side of current account will be correct answer of 14 number question. Move to next question number 15. Export of machinery is recorded on option A, debit side of current account. Option B, credit side of current account. Option C, credit side of capital account. Option D, debit side of current account. Here, export of machinery. In exchange of export of machinery, there is inflow of foreign currency or foreign exchange. Same thing. Foreign currency or foreign exchange is same thing. There is when there is export to abroad, in exchange there is inflow of foreign exchange. So it is recorded on credit side, credit side, and option B, credit side of current account. Here export and import of goods and services, unilateral transfers, investment income are recorded on current account. So here export of machinery means goods. So export in exchange of export there is inflow of foreign exchange. It is recorded on credit side and it is on current account. So here correct answer will be option B, credit side of current account. Move to next question number 16. Surplus in BOP arises when option A, autonomous payment greater than the autonomous receipts. Option B, autonomous accommodating receipts greater than the accommodating payments. Option C, accommodating payments greater than the accommodating receipts. Option D, accommodating receipts greater than the autonomous payments. Its correct answer is option D, accommodating receipts. Autonomous receipts greater than the autonomous payment. Due to this, there will be surplus in BOP, balance of payment. Move to next question number 17. Autonomous transactions take place on option A, current account only. Option B, capital account only. Option C, both current and capital account. Option D, neither current account nor capital account. Your correct answer is option C, both current and capital account. Here both in autonomous transactions, both in capital and current account. Move to next question number 18. Import of machinery is recorded on dash account and borrowing from abroad is recorded on dash account. Here import of machinery means machinery means goods. So it will be on current account. So we are importing, so we have to pay in exchange of machinery. So there will be payment of foreign exchange. So there will be, it is recorded on debit side, and it is current account. And borrowing from abroad, we are borrowing from abroad, so there is inflow of foreign exchange. So its correct answer will be here current account, and it is capital account. So its correct answer will be option A, current and capital account. Option A. Move to next question number 19. Foreign exchange transactions dependent on other foreign exchange transactions are called option A, current account transactions. Option B, capital account transactions. Option C, autonomous transactions. Option D, accommodating transactions. Its correct answer is option D, accommodating transactions. Move to next question number 20. Foreign exchange transactions which are independent of other transactions in the balance of payment account are called. Option A, current transactions. Option B, capital transactions. Option C, autonomous transactions. Option D, accommodating transactions. Its correct answer is option C, autonomous transactions. So thank you for watching this video. If you new in my YouTube channels, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and do one like and share to your friends and make your study your passion. Thank you. Take care yourself. Thank you.